Good morning and welcome back to Rolling Ragu.
Hey, it's Jasper! Oh, neat.
Isn't it?
Look at the plane coming in.
Oh,
Gonna land on the water.
It's Seattle's best, but it's Vancouver water. Best cup of coffee I've had.
This morning is our first morning here in Vancouver. We didn't know this. The guy at the counter said that the room on this side of the building would have city noises, he called it. And what we found out was that by city noises, he actually meant they would be demolishing a building right across the street from our bed. We're excited about today. Today is Cruise Day. Oh, by the way, Jasper's still here. I told y'all, Jasper wasn't going away completely. He's still around. So we're having our, look at this. The hotel had continental breakfast. Those are bagels from 1972. We have a couple of hours here. Checkouts at 11. Just so happens, check-in at the ship is 11. So we're all gonna shower, get dressed, and figure out how to get ourselves over to the ship. I want your thoughts. You're about to start your journey to Alaska. What are we feeling? What are we feeling?
Hungry. Yeah, very hungry. The cruise will fix that one though. Excited. Kind of tired because this woke me up in the morning.
What's the first thing you want to eat?
Food, everything.
All right, we're in an elevator packed with luggage, and we're on our way.
Our van's here, babe.
Oh, I didn't know we had a van.
All the luggage fit in that one?
Yeah.
Oh, awesome.
So last night, the guy behind the counter told us that taxi ride from us to the port should be about $10. That van you just saw them get into, which we needed because we had a lot of luggage, a lot of people, he charged them $50. We now decided, for the 5 of us that did not get into the van, that we're going to walk it. Seems like it's about 6 or 7 blocks. We don't have any luggage with us, so it shouldn't be too bad. I got it, Mamie. I got it.
Y'all did. So were
What's
they at
this?
least, right?
We've been through about 10 checkpoints in customs, and after that you can expect, let's see,
Radiance of the sea.
Okay. Thank you. And watch your step here.
welcome aboard. Oh, much nicer room.
Beautiful room. It is bigger than the other one we had.
That's a restroom.
Somehow these beds come down, huh?
Yeah.
That's interesting.
I think we have nice neighbors.
Aww. What?
I think we have nice neighbors. The
Our
shower.
neighbors.
Nice.
Sarah said hello.
Aww.
And he waved at the boys and he said, "Hi, neighbors."
Oh, I
said
didn't
hi.
even see them.
Oh,
I didn't even hear him.
Excellent, because those would be cool. We made it to our room, and we've only been on one other cruise. We went on a cruise in Hawaii a couple of years back, and these rooms are nicer.
We're doing our emergency drill right now.
Here's the boat that's going to save our lives. But we could have got stuck with this yellow boat over here.
Lucky us.
We're moving! Ship is moving, we're going look! Strawberry. How is it?
Just don't dig in your nose.
There's no creme brulee in my creme brulee.
I know, I don't think I...
So I was tapping it to see how firm the crust was. It was pretty darn firm because it's only crust.
Let me get yours, Gigi. See how thick it is. Yours looks about right. It's not even half. Yeah, halfway up. I mean, you got it. Oh.
So like every rose, like a natural rose, it looks, all of them are exactly different. Now.
All right. Good job, Amy.
Hey. Let me try one more time.
Let's go get ready, boys. Did you see the...
You're allergic to dust mites?
Well, I'm not. It's just...
I couldn't marry anyone with like lactose. Chances are
We'll enjoy every weekend.
Right.
in the last week of summer.
Good morning. Today is day 3 on the ship. This morning we are in the port of Ketchikan and we're about to leave. We went and had breakfast. We're not in Ketchikan for very long this morning. We're here from morning till we have to be boarded at about 3:30. We have Gigi, my mom, with us, and so I think she likes to shop, so we'll be doing some shopping. But we hope to also see some of the natural things there are around to see. Hey, there's a line behind you. It's not a wildlife viewing area. You're in Ketchikan, Alaska.
I'm in Ketchikan.
back on the ship. Having, what do you call this meal?
Pre-dinner.
This is pre-dinner. So.
Appetizers.
Yep. We didn't want to make a meal out of this because we're having our meal in about an hour. So we got small plate. And look at this view we have while we lounge and have pre-dinner.
I can't sit in that restaurant with all this beautiful stuff we're going through. It's so hard.
I know, I'm so not.
Jasper.